teaching that if you confess with your mouth Jesus as Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead,
you will be saved.
for with the heart a person believes,
Resulting in righteousness,
and with the mouth he confesses,
resulting in salvation.
for the scripture says, whoever believes in him will not be disappointed. Whoever believes in him will not be disappointed.